Frankie. Come on, let's show Mommy how to get out of the cage. Come on. See, as you can see, Frankie is in the cage right now. But watch and learn, people. Watch and learn, babe, what he does. Starts whining, goes on to the other side. Oh, what is that little doggy doing? He's coming through the other side of the door. Now he's out. He went by himself. Look at that little fur ball. Yeah, you're so cute. Look at you. Say, Daddy, I look at you. Yeah, you're cute. Okay, let's play fetch, Frankie. Frankie, see the ball? See the ball? Go get it. Frankie, go get the ball. Apparently he's confused. He's looking at faces. Look at that cute little face. Look at that cute little face. That's my little son, Frankie. Come on, Frankie. As you can see, he'll follow you wherever you go. Light and speed. Somewhere behind you. He likes to run, frolic, and play, and hopefully meet other girl dogs. Here's Frankie right now, sitting down. He sees the little ball. He sees the ball. He sees the ball. I say, go get it. But right now, he doesn't. Oh, never mind. He goes, gets the ball. Frankie, Frankie! He comes back with ever so chilling speed. And that is the beautiful dog, Frankie.